Well, if the snow wasn't bad enough, this bloody wind is. I'm a bit more terrified than I was when it snowed right bad, because I'm actually paranoid that I might end up in Oz. And to be honest, from what I've seen of Oz, it's not a nice place, you know. It's not really the witches I'm scared of, to be honest, because a bit of water and they're dead. And I'm 80% water. I'm full of piss right now, so to be honest, I'd stand a good chance against a witch. What I'm scared of is the little people, because I don't like little people. They scare me a little bit. You know, they look like normal when you look at their face, but the rest of them's not normal. That scares me a little bit. In fact, I'm terrified, because I don't like leprechauns, and they look a lot like leprechauns. I'll tell you about that, but it's a long story. Let's just say there's no gold at the end of a rainbow. Especially a rainbow that's shaped a little bit like a penis. But yeah, I'm a bit scared of this bloody wind. It's worse than snow. So I mean, I'm sat here now and I'm petrified, to be honest with you. I don't know what to do. I suggest everybody stays inside for now, because by the looks of this, it's bloody end of days. I've heard gusts up to 60 to 65 to maybe even 70 miles an hour. I can't even imagine that speed in my head. But it's pretty fast anyway, because local roads are only 20 miles an hour. So you can imagine how fast that is. Birds will be getting speeding tickets. Anyway, I'm going to go board up at windows now, so I don't, die. Alright then. Take care of yourselves, and maybe we'll see you another day if we survive this one. See you later.